West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in an all-out attack, slammed the BJP of divisive politics while she is in Nandigram today. She not only visited two temples first, but then also went to a mazar and then rounded off her day by making tea. All the while, the message was very clear that this politics of the BJP trying to brand her as anti-Hindu will not stand a chance.
যারা হিন্দু মুসলমান করছেন তাদের আমি পরিষ্কার বলি, শুনে রাখুন, আমিও হিন্দু ঘরের মেয়ে। আমার সাথে হিন্দু কার্ড খেলতে যাবেন না। আমার সাথে হিন্দু কার্ড খেলতে গেলে আগে বলুন আপনি নিজে ভালো হিন্দু কিনা। হিন্দু ধর্মের আদর্শ মানুষকে ভালোবাসা। হিন্দু ধর্ম বিবেকানন্দ শিখিয়েছে। হিন্দু ধর্ম মানে রক্ষাকালী, হিন্দু ধর্ম মানে চামুন্ডা কালী, দুর্গা মা, লক্ষ্মী মা, সরস্বতী মা, সন্তোষী মাতা, কত মা, শিব থেকে শুরু করে কত পিতৃদেবতা। আমি শুধু মা বোনেদের বলবো, আমি সকালবেলায় চণ্ডীপাঠ করে তবে কিন্তু বাড়ির থেকে বেরোই, এটা মনে রাখবেন। একটু আপনাদের শুনিয়ে দিই, যারা 30-70 করছে একটু শুনিয়ে দিই, একটু শুনিয়ে একটু হোক, বলবেন হিন্দু ধর্ম নিয়ে আমার সাথে কম্পিটিশন করতে। আমি একটা চণ্ডীপাঠ করি, ওং জয়ন্তী মঙ্গলা কালী ভদ্রকালী কপালিনী দুর্গা শিবা ক্ষমা ধাত্রী সাহা সদা নমস্তুতে মধুকৈটব বিদ্রাভ্যি বিধাত্রী বরদে নমো রূপং দেহি জয়ং দেহি যশো দেহি দিশো জয়ী।
All right, let's take that across to Syed Zafar Islam, national spokesperson and MP of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, political analyst, Riju Datta, spokesperson of TMC, Tausif Ahmed, advocate. So, Syed Zafar Islam, Mamata Didi has recited the Chandi Path. Over to you.
Well, when you are pretending something, then you have to do this kind of a stunt. But everyone knows that this kind of a stunt will always backfire on them. And she very well knows that how she has appeased a section of the society and only try to get some vote, garner some votes from that particular community, and she has been doing for several years. And today she wants to come across a very different person, and only for the sake of election now she is trying to be a Hindu. But everyone knows that what is the true color of Mamata Banerjee, and Mamata Banerjee is only trying to pretend here that she is also Hindu. But of course she has always practiced policy of appeasement for the purpose of getting votes, and she has left the Muslim community in a corner, and even Muslim community has realized that she has only policy of appeasement, but she has done nothing for the Muslim community. And this time all the stunts which she is doing, either for Muslim community or for the Hindu community, everything will backfire on her, because she has lost the confidence of even irrespective of the community. Every single citizen of West Bengal, she has lost the confidence, and I'm sure that she will lose with a big margin, and we will get more than 200 seats.
Okay, this is a pretense.
That after our candidate list is declared, you have not even declared your candidate list. And is the country so radicalized that we need to take certificates from RSS or BJP to do Hindu chant? I don't think so. So let me tell you, sir, when you talk about appeasement, yes, I'm telling you on record, we do appeasement. We do appeasement of women, poor, we do appeasement of the farmers, we do appeasement of the middle class in Bengal. We do inclusive politics. The way we chant...
That is fine. That is very well. But why do you need to feel the need to recite Chandi Path 3 weeks before elections?
Okay, now I'll give you that answer. You know why? If you go back into the record, when every time during Durga Puja she inaugurates multiple Durga pandals, she does it there also. But coming to Nandigram movement and Singur movement are two imperative movements whose architect is Mamata Banerjee, that has made Mamata Banerjee.
Okay. So everyone might be impressed by this right now, Shehzad Poonawalla, but this Mamata Banerjee has been doing it throughout. And like she said, don't challenge me. I am Mamata Bandopadhyay.
You see, Padmaja, Mamata Banerjee has discovered that even in Nandigram there is Ram, so 27% से नहीं हो पाएगा काम, इसीलिए सुबह को चंदी पाठ and मज़ार इन द शाम But people are saying, forget this secular photo op. Why were you doing appeasement in your Niti and Kam? And therefore you had Durga Pujo Visarjan being banned. You had Ram Dhenu becoming Rang Dhenu. You had a situation where Jai Shri Ram se Mamta Banerjee convoy rukakar. There was booking of people who chanted Jai Shri Ram. There was a situation in Bengal where if you said that you are a Hindu, you would fall into trouble. So the problem is that 10 साल आपने किया appeasement का काम और अब आप जपते हो श्री राम का नाम. The limited point I want to make is that my dear friend Riju, you have to chant Hanuman Chalisa because it is such a tough time for you that the entire Matua community vote, the other communities, they already believe that you have done Muslim appeasement for last 10 years.
Riju Datta.
So now you can do Dharm Parivartan conversion, but your political beliefs will not
This
change.
feels like the morning assembly. We started with the Chandi part, now we want a Hanuman Chalisa. But go on, Riju Datta, yes.
So my answer to my dear friend Shahzad is first ask BJP to tackle Uttarakhand and Delhi, then they can patronize us in Bengal. We had people, MLAs leaving, now they have CMs resigning. So the bottom line is we are always on the proactive, we are on the front foot and BJP is playing catch up in Bengal. And the bottom line is,
Riju, one line.
Our guest, I'll listen.
Just one line. I want to ask one question. One quick question.
Give what's your one line? What's your one line?
One
Yes.
quick. You are saying welcome to Rohingya and Bangladeshi, but you say no entry for Pakistani Hindus. Support CAA today, and I will concede the debate. Support CAA, say we welcome Pakistani Hindus. I will concede the debate. I will campaign and I will say Mamta is the biggest Hindu.
Listen. How do you expect me to support CAA when you implemented CAA and NRC in Assam and 12 lakh Hindus are in detention camps? So
You're a Chunavi Hindu.
We believe one thing.
आप चुनावी
very
हिंदू हैं.
important word that we have forgotten in this entire political debate. That is the constitution of this country that gives us the freedom to practice religion.
Rohingya should come, but not Pakistani
listen,
Hindu.
If you say that there is a Rohingya implication, then let me remind you that in 2019, Asthana Ji, that DG of CISF.
You have Mamta for Rohingya, not for the Hindu.
Okay, this is not the time to have a debate on the CAA and the merits of it in Assam and West Bengal. So, Tausif Ahmed, the challenge is that right now you are at pains, the Chief Minister is at pains to prove herself not just a Hindu but also, and when she said that I am Mamta Bandyopadhyay, pretty much the insinuation was that I am not just a Hindu but I am also a Brahmin. Why try to appease both and fall between two stools? Tausif Ahmed.
No, you see, the politics of appeasement is better than politics of hatred and division. It is better that you get caught chanting Chandi part than to get caught with heroin and the cocaine and all that. We have seen what is happening in Bengal. With the advent of BJP's rise in Bengal, the BJP leaders was caught with heroin and cocaine.
But what does that have to do with doing the Chandi part? And nobody is getting caught chanting the Chandi part. There's nothing wrong about having the Chandi part. Aap to aise bol rahe
Then
hai, it's a crime.
why do you want to have
He
a
is
debate on
comparing
that?
Chandi part to drugs. Look at this man, TMC supporter, comparing Chandi part to drugs. Come on, this is not the way. You cannot insult our dear Hindu Riju Datta like this.
Those who chant Chandi part will never do drugs.
Riju Datta, you should tell him something. He's your supporter.
What exposes BJP? BJP stands exposed when BJP leader was caught with drugs.
This is clearly a tangential argument. I don't want to get into that. But Syed Zafar Islam, it can equally be argued when you do rallies and keep saying Jai Shri Ram, that it's okay. But when Mamta Banerjee gets on stage and says, I also do the Chandi part, I also go to the Mazar, she somehow is accused of appeasing one or the other community. Why? Maybe this is the true face of secularism. आप मंदिर भी जाइए, मजार भी जाइए, चाय भी बनाइए.
Well, Padmaja, you know it very well that our appeal to the people is to vote on the basis of development. And there are certain things which we want to expose Trinamool Congress. First, that she is definitely following the policy of appeasement. There is no harm in chanting Jai Shri Ram, and in fact she should also chant Shri Ram. We have no problem. We do not want that we can only chant Shri Ram or the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders can chant Shri Ram. Everybody is allowed to chant Shri Ram, but she has hatred for chanting Shri Ram. She has hatred for people who chant Jai Shri Ram is something which I think she knows it well. But today she is pretending to be a good Hindu is only because the election is round the corner, and she
Riju
knows
Datta.
it well that if she does it,
we
probably
do not
she'll be able to
agree.
mislead few
Our
people.
Chief
But
Minister
actually, it will
very
not happen
clearly
because
said
now
we
she is
said Jai
exposed
Shri Ram.
completely.
No, why we opposed to Jai Shri Ram? Because it was a very warm greeting in this country. But you people have made it into a political slogan, a bullying tagline, and a lynching war cry in this country. That is where the problem lies. And let me tell you, your party has no agenda or manifesto. You rely on optics. So let me tell you, let me give you an optics. The election is on 1st of April, and I strongly believe that the people of Nandigram will pull the biggest April Fool prank on BJP come 1st of April, because the election is against the true daughter of Bengal versus the fake son of Nandigram. That is what it's about. And you talk about Ram, then the Prabhu Shri Ram's India, where petrol is 100 rupees, gas cylinder is 90
Again, this
900
makes no.
rupees.
There is no connection whatsoever between the two. What is the connection between the
can
two?
I
You
ask
want to
my
talk
good
about
friend a
petrol?
question?
Definitely have a separate
I
debate
think,
on that.
ask my
Syed
good
Zafar
friend a
Islam wants to
question.
respond. Just a
Padmaja,
second.
just a second.
Syed Zafar Islam, yes.
On this debate, on this debate, you only highlighted that how disconnect the argument is. And likewise, if you go to West Bengal, you ask anyone on the street, you will find that similar kind of disconnect you will feel between people of West Bengal and the
Have you seen
incumbent
the
government.
opinion
And that is
polls
why
yesterday,
you
sir,
are
on this
absolutely
channel and
confident
on
that we
other
have been
channels?
able to
Can I
win
ask
the
one
confidence
question?
of the people. And based on that, I can assure you that we can win election not by merely simple majority but thumping majority, and they will completely
Sir, have you seen the opinion polls
TMC
on this
from West
channel and
Bengal
on other
in the
channels?
upcoming
Can
election.
I ask one question of Riju
Okay,
Datta?
Shahzad Poonawala. Opinion
question.
poll.
I'm
Riju
not
Datta is
only
talking
concerned
about
about the
the
opinion
opinion
poll.
poll.
Let the
Opinion
exit
polls
poll
seem to
come
be
and you will
leaning.
find that you have
Sir,
lost the ground completely.
Can I ask one question, please?
Yes,
it will
go
take
on.
only 10 seconds. My dear Hindu friend Riju Datta ji, Kalyan Banerjee said that thank God Sita Ma was not captured by Ram Bhakts, or else she would have become like the Hathras victim. Would you want to sack Kalyan Banerjee because you are such a great Hindu? Of course, you would not have tolerated the upman of Ram Bhakts and Ram. So will you take action against Kalyan? No, 1 second, sir. 1 second. सवाल तो पूछने दो. सवाल पूछने दो. सवाल पूछने दो. And secondly, a great Hindu like you and Mamta Banerjee, surely, what is your position? Or should there be roke on slaughter of cows in Bengal?
Now, okay, two very good questions. Firstly,
I know,
regarding
sir,
the
I know.
Kalyan Banerjee issue, I have personally come as a spokesperson on multiple channels, and he said that we do not support the cause. Neither
Sir,
the party
take
supports
action,
what
sir.
he
You
said.
are such a great Hindu.
The action has been taken, and after
What?
that, have you heard anything untoward from his mouth? He has been strictly reprimanded by the party, Shahzad. And the second thing, when you said cow slaughter, now let me ask you a question about two states where you have the government. Why is
Sir,
cow
forget
slaughter-
the other governments. You talk about yourself, sir. You're a great Hindu.
No, Shahzad, I'm answering your question. Why is cow yummy in Goa and mummy in Karnataka? Why
Sir,
is
I am
it-
talking
why is
only
it-
about what will mummy do in
even as
Bengal.
we speak, everyone keeps
Answer
talking
that
about
question,
symbolism,
Shahzad.
tokenism, etc. If symbolism and tokenism is not needed, and Mamta Banerjee is the truly secular face, just explain to me why Tausif Ahmed, even as we speak, Miss Banerjee is entering her 12th temple. In one day alone, she has gone to 12 temples.
Then why?
I thought Man
why
Mein Ram.
is BJP is scared of that?
All this why
Mamta
you said
Banerjee
Man Mein
has-
Ram? अब
Mamta
12 राम
Banerjee
के
has all the
टेम्पल
right-
में why?
Mamta Banerjee has all the
I
right to
will also
visit
answer
as
this
many
question
temples
as
she
well.
wants. Why does it scare BJP?
No, it's not scary.
Is
We are
BJP learn?
happy.
BJP needs to learn from Mamta Banerjee. Mamta Banerjee said
Syed
that
Zafar
she is
Islam.
a Brahmin,
Syed Zafar Islam.
and she cannot be taught
The
what is
teacher has
Hindutva.
become the student.
She said
You
that
should
I-
learn
I
from
would
Mamta
like to
Banerjee,
tell-
says Tausif
I-
Ahmed.
No, I think there is a lesson for TMC Supremo to learn from the experience of Rahul Gandhi. He had adopted the same strategy from visiting temple to temple in Ahmedabad and elsewhere in Gujarat. But what had happened? Finally, you lost. You lost miserably. And likewise, it will happen the same. Same story will get repeated here, because everyone knows that she is doing only for the purpose of getting attention in the upcoming election. But people are very sincere. They understand this kind of gimmick and this kind of stunt, and they
Can I come
give
in
the
for this?
Yes,
befitting
Riju
reply
Datta.
when the time comes
Yes.
and when the day of
Mr. Zafar
election,
Islam,
they will
your
cast a
Pakistan
vote.
leader,
And
your
keeping that in mind that she is a She is a girgit.
Have the trade
Like a girgit, she is behaving like a girgit.
What other your leaders come and visit temples? It is not your paternal property.
अरे बाबा गिरगिट के तरह कलर बदलने से कुछ नहीं होता।
The temple. Number one.
Okay, I
Number two,
have a question.
you are a
नहीं गिरगिट के तरह से कलर बदलने से कुछ नहीं होता।
We are not. We have got majority twice in Bengal, being a proper secular party, and we believe in that agenda, sir. So that is my answer to you. And thirdly, what the question you asked,
But-
Padmaja, why 10 temples and why 12 temples? Again, I will say what I wanted to make the point earlier. Today is the day when Mamata Banerjee has kick-started her rally for her personal campaign in Nandigram. And on a holy event like this, it is very natural for us to chant Hindu mantras or go and visit temple and give pujas.
All right, so you're saying, so essentially you're saying when she's kicking off her own campaign for Nandigram, she needs to visit a dozen temples. That's the only way to
The
win
only way.
Nandigram?
No, see, I do not understand. Are we radicalized so much that a person born in a Hindu family, he has got full rights as per the constitution of this country, cannot visit temples? We need certificate from RSS and BJP.
Okay, okay. No, nobody needs any certificate from anyone for secularism, but nobody then also has the right to certify other parties, whether they are secular or communal. Let's remember that as well. For the time being, thank you very much for joining me on this debate.